to open up and debox a Strider running bike. All you need is a pair of scissors. We've got an Allen wrench that comes in the packaging with your bike. So scissors or a knife, and we'll open up the tape. Pull everything out. Everything's kind of tied together in one big lump here, so you'll have that. And then you'll have either an envelope or a little box. And just go through and snip all your ties. Get your handlebars. Snip off all your cardboard. Wheel. This can be torn. Alright, so we've got everything, all the packaging all taken off the bike now, and this is all that's in there. You've got your directions, and you'll want to be sure to skim those. Got handlebars, your wheel, a little Allen wrench, I guess, and then a little piece to cover up this, and then your main bike part. So I usually start with assembling the handlebars. You'll want to take this piece and stick it on there. Just slide that up, pop it in, and then grab your wrench and just use the 14mm side and just tighten it up. Make sure it's straight. If you have your handlebars really low, you'll kind of need to get a weird angle on it, but you can get it nice and tight. There we go. Okay, so the handlebars are done, and you can just flip it over. It'll stand up, and you're ready to put your wheel on. So you just want to unscrew all the gear on the end. There's a little piece that looks like an acorn, and a washer, and then a tabbed washer on both sides. Just unscrew those. And then just pop it in these little slots right here. And you put the little tabbed washer in, and the little tab fits right in the hole. Put it right over. And then grab your regular washer and screw the little acorn part on. Maybe. There we go. Just screw that on by hand for now. Do the same on the other side. Do the tab washer, the regular washer. Screw them on. And then grab your wrench and just tighten it up. We'll probably need to hold on to the other side to kind of have it keep from spinning. And you got that. And your seat's all put together. If you need to adjust it, you just use your wrench again and loosen it up, and you can raise and lower your seat that way. If you're going to have multiple kids riding a bike, you can also order the quick release for it. I think it's $6. You can order that and be able to raise it and lower it easily without having to use your wrench. But yep, otherwise the bike's all put together and ready to be ridden.